Hey, what's going on, brothers? I'm out here on vacation on a cruise to Jamaica. The water looked beautiful. This morning I was at breakfast, the buffet, just soaking it all in. People rushing around. And I got my plate, some fruit. Nothing fancy, just something light, some hydrating, something nourishing. And I'm watching people rush around, eagerly plucking food to throw on their plate. People had like two, three plates. And it hit me, like why do most people like choose food based almost exclusively on taste, right? Sometimes it's training, what our mother fed us, but mostly we pick foods because we like to taste, right? We've been trained, we've been conditioned to eat with our tongues, to chase flavor, that sugary hit, that salty crunch, that fried satisfaction. And don't get me wrong, I mean, I get it. Taste is pleasurable. It's part of the human experience. I'm not a fun snatcher. I'm not a fun snatcher. But here's the truth. Food is not just for taste. Food is for nutrition, to help us rebuild our body, right? And when we make taste our main priority, decade after decade, the bill comes due. You hit 40, 50, 60 years old, and suddenly you have high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, prostate issues, inflammation, enlargement of the prostate, erectile dysfunction, and worse, cancers, etc. Right? For the most part, these are consequences of eating for taste for years and not really focus on nourishment. Not really. And no one told us. We weren't taught this in school. We didn't grow up hearing it at the dinner table or breakfast table. Not really. We were told, hey, eat some food, get some protein in your system, get some carbohydrates, treat yourself. But what if treating yourself meant something deeper? What if true self-care was eating with intention, choosing foods deliberately that heal rather than harm? And this is what I'm learning, and I want to share this with you. Every bite you take is either a step towards disease and illness or a step towards vitality and healing. And it's never too late to turn around. Start simple. Choose real whole foods. Go for the color in fruits, vegetables, roots, and herbs. Hydrate your body. Cut down on the processed junk. Listen to your body. Reconnect with it. Reclaim your health. Because the truth is, the taste of good health lasts way longer than the momentary taste of junk food. That fried chicken wing. Stay tuned, because I'm going to go deeper into this. Deeper into how food choices impact your prostate health. It impacts your sexual energy and erectile function. This isn't about perfection. It's just about awakening, learning how to eat for life. All right, check out that water. Sending you good vibes, man. Sending you good vibes. Follow me for more men's health tips, and let's get healthy. The healthy way.